Alright, vlog world. So, how's everybody doing? It is now 12:35 a.m. Well, afternoon, I guess. And something came in the mail today. I told y'all about it the other day, and look what is here. I'm not gonna say what it is yet, but Najee had bought one too because he has the same car as me, and we're about to go install it. We have an hour and 30 minutes. And yeah, I'll catch y'all when I'm on the way. What is it doing me so wait? Alright, vlog world. So I don't know how well y'all can see me right now because there's a lot of sunlight shining on the lens of the camera. But I'm on my way right now to go to Najee's house. He's the one with the red GTI, and well, he doesn't have the red GTI no more. He has an Audi like mine, but his is a 2006 version of my car. Mine's a 07, and yeah, so I'm gonna head on over there now. But first, I'm gonna get some gas. Yeah, so stay tuned. But while I'm doing this, I wanted y'all to know what my plans were for my car. Like, listen to that turbo. I had a lot of things I wanted to do, like get a rims lower kit. I want to put coilovers. I'm not sure exactly what coilovers I want yet, but I definitely want coilovers. And also, I want to do a lot of things to my car. Damn, it's shaky. Oh man. Yeah. Coilovers, wheels, lowering kit. I know my car isn't gonna be pushing a lot of horses, but I want to make this car the fastest one out there. So that is my goal, to have one of the fastest B7 Audis out there. Yeah. There's that state trooper. Grinding gears. Right now I have 25 miles till E, and I know that's not good. Oh yeah, y'all can't see me now. Gotta go fast, yeah. What's up, vlog world? So my hold on. What came in the package was a 2.5-inch downpipe for my Audi A4, my B7. And there's Najee's car. Yeah, I thought, well, vlog box, wait till me blow up and make some money and see. Shit, hey, wait. Yeah, there's Najee's mine. But yeah, we got the downpipe for both the cars. Mine's a 2.5-inch downpipe, and Najee's is a 3.0. So this is way bigger. Yeah. What I have done already is I freed up the bolts for the that connects the turbo to the downpipe. And alright, what's up, vlog world? So what came in the mail today was my catless downpipe. It's a test pipe. It's a 2.5-inch test pipe. Yeah. So tomorrow, me and Najee will be putting our pipes on. We tried earlier today, but I had to go to work, and he didn't get his done. So tomorrow we're gonna fully complete the project and we'll let y'all hear it. Oh yeah. Also, we're going to Cars and Coffee in the morning, in the night actually. It's gonna be around from 8 to 9. No, it's 8 to 10, I think. So yeah, I will be doing that, and I might be bringing Corey. I'm not sure, or Corey might be going. I don't have to bring him, but I think he's going. I'm not sure. I messaged him, but tomorrow it might be me, Corey, and Najee, and maybe T Henny. T Henny was there earlier today, but I had to go to work, so I left them there. I thought they were gonna complete their project, but I guess they're waiting on me. So we gonna get it on tomorrow. This is what it looks like. They said it should not throw my check engine light, but I'm not sure yet, so I will see what happens once it goes on, because it is a cat delete, so I'll see what happens when it goes on. But until tomorrow, I'll catch y'all later.
It's recording.
Yeah, so right now, come over here. We got the catalytic converter off of the turbo, and now we need to get the O2 sensor off and the bull set connect to the downpipe. So that's the only thing left, and we should be good.
What did you do to your hair?
Alright. Yeah, hold on. Gotta make it while I'm young. Hear that whistle? Get somewhere. That is so good, man. Go on now. Hey, hold that tree. That's what that B7 sound like, boy. It's just a downpipe, 3-inch downpipe. Yeah. Come in. That's some good dog. Yeah, rev when I go off now. Alright.
I'll be fine.
Wait till I put my shit on. Ooh. Hey, come on. Oh shit! Boy, you need to drop a turbo in your car.
Turbo, bro.
Yeah, you need the turbo in your car.
Bro, if I could afford that shit, I want to, though.
Asheville, the place to be, boy. Ooh. What is this? Oh, that's my nigga Trey, boy. That's JD. And look who's right here. Nigga who can't keep a damn car. What's up? Ah, what's up?
I'm not coming at you.
No.
What's up, man? Cal.
Oh.
Corey, man. Nice to meet you.
Alright guys, so it is a new day and I had already put Najee's downpipe on, but because we had so much trouble and didn't have enough time to shoot, I didn't do it on camera, but I'm doing mine right now, and I'm by myself, so I just wanted to show y'all what I was working with. So what you have to do is, this is your catalytic converter. You got to take it off your turbo, as you saw in Najee's video, and then you're gonna have to disconnect it off your downpipe. And there's also what I did was in the middle where the I'll show you. In the middle right here where the exhaust connects, I disconnected it so it would be easier for me to take out the pipe. That's all I did. And right now I'm about to put the test pipe that I got, the aftermarket test pipe, on the pipe that I disconnected, and I'm gonna fit it together right now, let you see. Also, what I did was I bought a spacer for my O2 sensor. I may need to drill the hole off on the spacer. It comes with some little hardware in it. I'm gonna slide it over like that, and then I'm gonna screw it in the part that's not where the turbo is. Hold on. Let me see something. I gotta check my O2 sensor. So this doesn't fit, and I bought some extra ones just in case it didn't fit. Let me see if they fit. Those are way too small. Let's see what happens when I put the O2 sensor by itself there. Let's see if the O2 sensor by itself fits there. Yep, the O2 sensor fits. But I'm going to need a spacer. So right now all I have to do is disconnect the lower O2 sensor and then I'll be done. So I'll catch y'all back in a second. Boom, stay tuned. I started the car without the, now I'm about to rev it. Can you hold this? Alright guys, so I'm gonna end this video here. My freaking turbo bolts that connects the catalytic converter to the turbo is too freaking, the bolts are bent, so the aftermarket downpipe won't go on it. And after work, I'm gonna take it to a shop or let them drill the turbo holes out. But it'll be alright. All I need to do now is drill the holes out the turbo and it should start fitting up properly.
You let me turn into the nigga that you almost was. I done seen a lot of shit and I done been in things. And I never started nothing, I just finished things. And I'm sell off like the man that